Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the Kikoff account. So I've been seeing a lot of comments about this account, and I think that people just don't understand like how Kikoff started, and people are just doing things, and I don't want you guys to get messed up or pay more than you have to. When I first started with Kickoff, you guys, it was totally free, but now they have it where you have to pay, and they literally just took like $1 and some change out of my account, which means that I paid off Kickoff. And now I want to show you like my account, what they're telling me I can do, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to do, because I don't want to spend unnecessary money. It's no point, especially if it's not going to help me build my credit. Like, why do it? So I wanted to go over my account. Now, I did see this message, and it was very alarming to me, especially knowing that I talk about kickoff all the time, and people like, oh, Rickita like kickoff. Yeah, but what kind of kickoff do I like? So somebody said that. Here's a comment right here. I seen an ad and to get $750 to $2,500 with no credit check. Well, at the time, he was desperate. He didn't have any money. He didn't read the terms and conditions, not knowing that I wasn't getting an actual line of credit with the credit card for things like emergencies, food, gas bills, etc. But they found out that they're going to get the $2,500, but only to buy like ebooks or to make payments so that they can start building their credit. They didn't know this. They said such a bad website and very poor advertising, leading people to believe what they did, which is true. That's not good. Now I'm stuck for a year paying payments for nothing. Don't do what I did and do not apply for this stupid crap. I seen that and I was like, they got an advertisement, and then you think you getting money, and it's not necessarily that. So let me show you what it's about, so you guys can, you can avoid that mistake that they just made. So this is my Kickoff account right here. So when I first started up for Kickoff, this is what they had right here. No, actually, that wasn't it. It was the Kickoff loan right here. So basically, they borrowed you $12. All you have to do is come in here and click pay, and it made it seem as if you were actually paying it, but you weren't actually putting any money up, and that built up my credit a lot, because at that time I had very bad utilization, so that helped me out. And that's when I started promoting, oh, y'all should get this account, get this account, get this account. And then they went to other accounts, which was this one right here, this credit account. Now, with this credit account, I have the $500 line. Y'all don't even see that anymore, because now they have $750. With the $500 line, I basically have to pay $2 per month. And then they will report to the credit bureaus, which was good, which was good, because I wanted to test it out for you guys. So you can see they said I made 29 payments in a row. You can see like the payment history and utilization at zero, because I don't have anything now. That's fine. Well, a lot of you guys are seeing this other account that is basically right here. You get a $2,500 credit line. It reports to the credit bureaus, and this is the one I think is going to be like $20 per month or something. Well, $18 per month, and I just don't see it. And they basically said that they're going to give you your credit scores, and they're going to give you a bigger line to keep your utilization low. I don't know what credit scores they're going to get, how it's going to look, so I couldn't tell you guys, what it would look like. But I just don't see paying $18 per month. When you guys get this account, try to see if you can just do the $750 per month and leave it at that. Now, I do like this $1 per month, and the point that it can renew at $1. That is really good. So I would tell you guys to try to see if you don't add any additional payments, like especially those people that's in a boat that I'm in. Don't add any additional payments. Don't buy anything, and try to renew it at $1. So it renews now, and you'll get $4 per month for the first 5 months. So now they're trying to get you. So it's only going to be $1, but then it's going to renew. It's a 12-month plan. They're going to renew it, and then it's going to be more money than just $1. So Kickoff no longer offers the $2 per month service plan. So now you have to pay $5 per month for the $750 account. Me personally, I don't see me doing it. I don't see the point. I don't need it. it's going to actually drop my credit score most likely to have it. I'll leave that where it's at. But I just want to show you guys this because it's different accounts you can do. Just do the $5 per month for a year if you need something to report. I would rather you get like a secure credit card. So I showed you guys like the best credit cards to build credit on my website, Rickita.com. I would rather you guys just pay money for the credit builder card, which is a secure credit card, because you paying $60 a year. This annual fee is $22 for a year. That's way less than that Kikoff is. And then on top of that, you can reuse this credit card so you can use this actual money. So I'd rather you do this, and when you close it, you're going to get your money back. This is that Kikoff account, we talked about already. I would rather you also get the Discover is Secure credit card. Put a $200 limit on it, and then usually in like 7 to 9 months it's going to graduate, so it's going to turn into an unsecured credit card. I also suggest that one for you all, and they're going to report to the credit bureaus for you, which is what you need. You also have the N rewards. Now with this one is secure when you could put a $200 deposit down on this one, and it can graduate to a $2,000 credit card. So definitely check that one out. Also, the Capital One Platinum Secure Credit Card is another great one. So definitely check those ones out. I think those are great ones that can help you, especially with reporting to the credit bureaus. And they have that loan here too. Where is that? I can renew the 12-month credit builder loan today. You can renew that one. It shouldn't be any fees. So yeah, it shouldn't be any fees at all for that loan. But if they do have fees, then, it is what it is for that one, because, if you guys were to go with the account that I told you guys right here with the self, they're going to charge you some type of fees. They have to stay in business and report to the credit bureaus, and that is not cheap. So I do suggest you guys do that free one for the loan. Let them start reporting, and then try to get some of these other credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Go to my website. Like, there's so many of these credit cards on here you guys can try to get, especially if you want to start building your credit. So definitely check these out. I just seen that and I was just like, this is just too much money. I do not believe in this. And I just don't want people to get the, wrong accounts for no reason. And to me, they just charging too much money. So I would never do anything like that. Like, don't even show me that $2,500 one. Like, I would never do that. I won't renew my loan because I did that just to make a video for you guys. I paid $10 per month for 12 months. I paid $120 total basically. And then they send me my money back. They put it right back into my account. And they report it to the credit bureau for me every month. And then I used to have the $2 per month, the $500 account. But now they saying that they don't have that. They only have the $750 and up. So I would, if I were you, I would get that one, and I would try to see like what's the cheapest you can pay, the least amount you could pay on that one. Do not get like, no, I'll pay that amount for a year. Try to see if you can get it to work for 2 months or 4 months. And let me know too, because now that I've been in everything for a while, they may not have that option for me. But try to see if you can do that. Don't do the $2,500 because that's going to just get you, to me, that's just going to get you out your money, and you don't need that. Like, you really don't need that. But let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this video was helpful. Just my warning to you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.